will Mrs. Cayman get wet when she says the word wet? Let's find out.
There are so many words that start with W. There's wow, wheels, wagon, wings, whoa, wave, a wand. That makes me think of a wizard. And in Wizard of Oz, there was a wicked witch, and she melted when she got wet. Where was I? Wait, wax. You can watch with your eyes or wear a watch. A wild wolf. We wear white, and water, well, water's wet. And walk, wall, web, worm. Worms wiggle in the wet dirt. And waffles, watermelon. The weather was warm on Wednesday. Words like who, what, where, why, when. Windshield wiper, and you use a windshield wiper when the windshield gets wet. And when it's windy and there's wind, windmill, wake, west, whiskers on a walrus. A walrus lives in the ocean and gets wet. And there's a whale, and a whale has a blowhole, and the water shoots out of the top and gets everything around him wet. And you can whisper. You can say wonderful. Washing, and your hands get wet.
Wet.
Wet. Wet. Wiggle. I need to get warm. Ocean and gets wet. And then there's wheels and wagons and whales, and the water comes splashing out of the top of their blowholes, and it gets everything around them wet. Wet.
See you next time, friends. Have a wonderful week.